looks like a little lathe. And if that is the case, I think we have some money here.
A little what?
A little lathe. You put this all together, and it makes like a jewelry lathe. I'm guessing. Don't sit there and quote me. Don't be like, you don't know what you're talking about.
It's okay.
You don't know what you're talking about. How dare you say it's a lathe? It's just metal.
What's a lathe?
But a lathe. A lathe is something
I
that...
said that is a lathe.
Okay.
But what is it? Explain to me, please.
Basically, you use it to whittle wood and like it all assembles together. You put stuff in here, it spins, and then you use the different tools to create spindly legs like this. This is what you would exactly what you would create with it. Yeah, so this is nice. This far exceeds.
Oh, it carves.
Yes, it spins, and you use the tools, and it'll whittle the wood down to make a leg and so forth. I can guarantee you that this pays for the unit and then some. I don't know how much, but lathes could be anywhere from like $100 to like $1,000, depending on the brand and so forth. This right here is a nice find, and it pays for the unit. Period.
Nice. Cut and print, beautiful guys.
Beautiful guys, beautiful guys. When you guys hear me always say whatever I say when I mess up what he says, that's what I'm trying to say is cut and print, guys. Alex says it better than me.
You don't know what that's off of?
It's off of The Incredibles. No.
What's that? It's off of
The Incredibles.
the Wayans brothers.
The what?
The Wayans brothers.
I think it's a cartoon.
People, let me tell you about my best friend.
Okay.
Na-na-na-na-na.
Ooh. Here we have a beautiful chair set.
Oh my gosh.
And we have a matching couch. A whole entire living room set, guys. This is nice. Doll furniture sells. What do we have under here? What is this? Look at that. Blocks.
It's a child's toy.
A child's toy.
Child's toy.
Look at that. That's cute. Alex, would you like these for your children to play with? Your little one might like these.
I kind of don't like stuff they could choke on.
All right.
Try to keep it away.
How do you prevent them from eating food?
Food?
Well, yeah, you don't like things
I
they
give
can
them the
choke
right
on.
foods
Okay.
to eat.
I'm just curious.
The proper food to give a toddler. Like a lot of people don't know, like
Nah,
they give
just
their
give 'em a
toddlers,
steak.
they give them grapes, and you know what the worst thing kids can choke on is a grape or a hot dog, because the skin gets stuck in their throat from the grape or the hot dog.
Okay.
So you gotta just cut your grapes in half and give them.
Or you can do surgery on them and take the skin off.
Yeah, my sister used to peel the grapes for my kids.
Ooh, we got a camera coming. And a lens. What do we got here? Look at that. Camera equipment, Tiffin lenses, automatic flashes. This looks like a box that would be a great lot on a YouTube live auction. Shout out to YouTube for giving us the ability to carry out a live auction. Minolta. Minolta's a very low-end camera brand in my eyes. It is a Rocore, which is decent, made in Japan. I like the Rocores depending on if they've been modified to the newer technology.
I would never know nothing like that.
I'm off.
You don't need to because you got me. I got you, babe.
Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba.
You kind of matched your outfit today.
Huh?
You kind of matched your outfit today.
Yeah, I'm feeling myself
Like
today.
even
So.
your shoes match with your outfit.
Yeah, okay. I wasn't going to wear those, but I decided to keep with the...
Like,
You do
Gray
look pretty
and black.
fresh today.
Thank you.
How do we always?
I even did my hair.
Why are we always in sync? Gray and black. Gray and black.
Did my hair
Gray.
even. I combed it for you guys. Put the camera on you.
no.
I will.
I want...
We got Mikey right here. He showed his whole outfit from
Yeah.
head to toe. Then he wanted to show his daughters.
Well, more importantly than her outfit, I wanted to emphasize the fact that here she is. This is what a symbolism
Say hi. There we go. There we go.
Symbolism of loyalty. My daughter is a true fan. Her team lost this weekend, and she's not one of those people hanging her jacket up. She's got her sweater on. She's got her jacket, proudly supporting her team, who lost this last week, but she loves her team so much she ain't letting that falter her passion. And I appreciate her for having that loyalty.
That's right.
I
And
just
nothing
wanted to
like
say
loyalty.
that. Just wanted to say that.
And every time you guys hear Mike talking about his princess and all that stuff, that's who it is. What do you call her, Mike?
I call her peanut butter. I call her Maquala. I call her the Salt Princess.
Salt
I call her my
Princess.
baby girl, which is probably her least favorite. Dad, that's not what you're supposed to call me. That's what I
More
call
like a cow in my pants.
Aw, baby girl.
baby girl.
Aw.
It's a decent camera.
Does that make you feel when your dad calls you baby girl in public or on camera? She don't like it.
She feel like choking me.
I'll send me like text messages to my friends and be like, who just said that? I'm like, my dad.
Mess with him, tell him your boyfriend.
It's my daddy. So, this little box here is a nice little camera lock.
What was in the army looking thing?
Where?
But in there. We were recording something else we didn't see.
Oh, this is all lenses. These are all different lenses.
Maybe the
And,
camera wants to see one.
oh yeah, I don't know if y'all saw that. You're gonna get a chance to see this and bid on it on the live auction. We will auction this camera entire lot as just one lot. I'm a Minolta, several lenses. A lot of people collect cameras. A lot of people use them. They sell very well. That's where this will end up.
We got some army stuff going up too.
Oh my lord.
I'll go do the light this time.
It's annoying.
I mean, you don't really need it. It's not affecting the camera that much.
So that was enough.
No, go ahead and turn it back on.
Okay, I'll be back. See you guys later.
I want you back.
Make.
I'm just a fool for you. Did I just get a snap?
Yeah, you got one. That's how they make videos go viral.
What do we have here? Alice is gonna need this later when he goes home and looks at every slide individually. He will put each slide in here one at a time and be able to see everything in this man's life. So far, my speculation has not proven to be true. I stated that there would be trains in here because we saw the books and stuff, and that quite possibly could have been some of the things the family kept. We have not found any, but we're still finding train books. Very collectible. These are vintage. A lot of people love trains. The Last Christmas Show by Bob Hope. California Earthquake. What do we have here? This is neat. The 1906. I like this book right here. Look at that. Maps. You got maps.
You said it was an atlas.
Remember back in the day when everybody had to read a map and then you had to figure out where you're going?
It said it was an atlas. It's not a book. It's an atlas.
Okay. And so it's an atlas of the region of San Francisco. That's probably the fault line, maybe? San Andreas, that whatever it was that hit the big earthquake. It was quite interesting because I had to show Michael the other day. I had to make him read maps for me. Because I don't know he knows how to read a map yet. And I made him go on maps and direct us to his friend's house. And we had this nice little conversation of how difficult it was to navigate somewhere. And nowadays, people are told where to go with simplicity through an app. And it makes you wonder, what happened if everything just kind of disappeared one day and there was no more technology? How are all these children and other people going to know how to navigate anywhere because they're depending on the maps? Here we have a yearbook. The Echo, I've seen this before. I forget what school this is from, but yearbooks are hot, vintage yearbooks. We have Echo, 1945.
Echo.
Wild Oats in Eden. That sounds like a fun book. The History of Seamanship.
What?
History of Seamanship. You didn't let me finish.
Oh.
You know I like to be punny.
What? The I didn't finish? Was that part of the joke?
I got that from your girlfriend the other day because I said something to her and she said, that is punny, David.
Maybe you should come in and record this.
What is it?
Just stuff inside the drawers.
We can bring it out.
Bring it out. Bring it. I'm coming out. Well, that wasn't.
Are you coming out,
Yeah,
Alex?
that was-
Is this your come out video?
I'm snitching.
Uh-huh.
I'm snitching.
Once again, we'll go back to this. This is a beautiful vintage trunk made of plastic. I'm just kidding. It's a brand new ice chest.
So nice. Got it from Target.
So nice. Got it from Target. What movie is that from, everybody? My daughter always says that line, and we like talking about movie lines. What movie is that from?
What movie? Oh, all right.
Wah, Wah, wah. We got this is a box of vintage oxygen.
That's a good box.
This is
It's a
vintage
nice
oxygen.
box.
Yes, this is before oxygen became polluted.
No, it is a nice box though.
It is a nice box.
That's a $10 box.
It's more like a $20 box. But the oxygen that is inside of this is priceless because you cannot find non-polluted oxygen anymore, and we have it saved.
You just let it out when you
Put
open
your
it.
hand down here.
Don't get me sweating, please.
I don't think that's possible.
What? No pun intended.
What do we got here? Look at this. Shout out to Santa Rosa once again, the best storage units in all of the land.
I thought we were gonna
Santa
stop
Rosa.
saying that.
We are not, because like I said, I want everybody on the same playing field. And here we have a lot of photos that you will see on.
That's nice.
Look at that. Look at the quality and time somebody put into making this pic. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the first picture frame in picture frame.
No, you know what that is?
It's a picture frame in a picture
That's a
frame.
filter from 1920.
This is a Snapchat filter. First Snapchat filter.
This guy looks successful.
Now, a lot of people say, oh, you're not supposed to put personal photos up. But these people relinquished the rights to this because they did no longer want this, which makes this public property. They were not held back by this stuff getting out there. They did not want to retain this stuff. So it is now.
Finders keepers, losers keepers.
An easy way of saying it. No, it's not finders keepers.
Finders, keepers, losers, weepers. Thank you, camera girl. Who is that? Is that a president? No, it's probably just a guy. Little house on a prairie.
Is that a president?
Well, it could have been a president. Look at this remote control.
That is not a
That is a remote control. Go home and try to put that on your computer or your TV.
It's Zenith. Zenith. You think it's a you think I can program it to anything?
Look at that.
Measuring tape?
Didn't your wife need a tape measure?
Yeah, but I think one from this century.
Scotties.
That is a heck of a remote.
Instrument company, we do really well with here, I want you to have this director's chair.
Cut.
Anybody want to guess what's in here? Alex, do you want to guess what's in here?
Music box or stress balls?
Stress balls. Do you want to guess what's in here? I'm going to guess trinkets. Hello, trinkets.
I like the box though.
What the heck is a trinket?
A trinket is just little chopskis, little things.
You can't say
Like
that.
these. These are trinkets, buttons,
That's
Lionel.
like saying there's stuff in the box.
No, it's just like little things, little collectibles that you would carry in your
I could have said
pocket.
little things in there too.
None of us were right.
You just made it sound good.
I want to keep
Sing
the
it,
box.
Alex. Sing it.
Sing it. You just made it sound good. That was a Blues Clues melody. You hear that? Ba, 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 ba.
Oh, we're getting into some more good photos and stuff. Look at this. This is the first dog photo ever. It's Santa's little helper from The Simpsons. Look at that. She looks so happy on her wedding
Let
day.
me see.
Look at that.
She don't look too happy.
She looks happy on her wedding day.
How do you know that's her wedding day?
Just
You
speculating.
know that's not fun.
These are kind
What's
of
that
cool.
say
That's
on the
what you
back,
do.
Mike?
What?
That one though, looking the kid.
This one says, Dear Grandma, from Midran JV, happy birthday, 1929. Uncle Michael's birth year.
That was one 1999.
These are kind of cool.
Did
These
you say
placements.
Uncle Michael's birth year?
Yeah, 1929. Shout out to Uncle Michael, oldest man in the storage business.
Oldest man in the storage business.
Look at these. They are absolutely nothing.
Was he a judge?
I don't know, but I'd like to throw the gavel down.
You're saying
Part of
that
the
Uncle
bag.
Michael is
I
90
won't judge
years
you
old.
if you do.
I won't judge you if you do. Look at that.
I did not know he was 90 years old.
Uncle Michael, he's close. He's like 88. In appreciation, 1,000 Trails, NACO lifetime membership. What's that photo right there? Is that Shirley Temple?
Kind of looks
Nope.
like it.
Still something on the back. Pink wallpaper. $5 is what they wanted for it.
Now, I don't want to beat a dead horse, but I would like to take the time once again to remind everybody that a lot of times you see us showing photos and you see us going through people's stuff. This is the most important stuff you would think would belong to somebody, their personal photos, not the material items, not the gold jewelry, collectibles, everything, but this is the one thing that you would think a family would want to retain from a person who passed away. But as you can see,